Hi guys, so I'm starting off today's video with no makeup on, and that is because I am finally doing another makeup video. So I'm filming this on the 24th of January and the third series of Sabrina has come out on Netflix. I have already started binge watching it. I'm on like episode 4 and I have been meaning to make a transformation video type thing for months, and I just procrastinate like it's my superpower. I'm finally doing it today, even though it's midnight and I have work tomorrow. I don't know why I'm doing this, but my brain has decided after months and months of wanting to do this, now is the time, so I just have to roll with it. ADHD life. Anyway, so I do have a blonde wig that I'll be using. It's not like perfect, I'm just going to state that now. It was gifted to me from UVme. I'll put the link below if anyone is interested in getting it, I don't know. But it's more of a yellow, you'll see it later, it's more of a yellow blonde and it has a fringe, so I've had to like clip it back. But overall it's more of a Sabrina inspired look rather than an exact, like, I think it's close enough. I think it's close enough. And I hope you guys like it as well. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how this goes. I might actually have put an intro in, I don't know, so you probably already know how it's turned out, but whatever. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be really awesome. I think I'm just going to jump straight into this video. I'm going to do the makeup, put the dress on. I've got a dress, it's really cool, it's got white frilly sleeves and a frilly collar, and as I said, it's like, it's not exact, but it's good. And then we'll put the wig on and that'll be the transformation complete. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited to do this with me because, well, you're here now, so let's go. I'm going to start off with the foundation. I use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade F1 because I'm a pale ass bitch. And I'm just going to cover my face in this. When you're doing a transformation look or like a cosplay or just anything where you're trying to look like really specific, like something, making your canvas as blank as possible to begin with is like probably the best thing you can do to start off with. It will really help add in details that aren't originally yours when your face is non-existent anymore, and then blend it all in before it dries like this. Oh my god, the muscles in my armpit hurt. So you see it from the back. I'm gonna set my face. And I use Rimmel London Match Perfection Loose Powder. And I think it only comes in shade translucent. I've literally never seen another colour of it. So there's that. I don't think I could possibly get any cakier right now. So that means we're ready to move on to the next step. I am now going to get up a picture of Sabrina and really look at the shape of her face and try to copy like the eyebrows and the contouring and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to do the brows first, I think. This is going to be interesting because I don't like heavy brows on myself and I have to. They do start quite low, so I think what I'm just going to do is use the top of my eyebrow as the top of my eyebrow and then just add more to the bottom. Right? Oh no. That's a brow. I'm gonna be honest, it's not right, but I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make this better, so I'm gonna leave it for now. They're definitely bigger than my usual brows, so I'm on to something. I am going to start shading my eyes because she has a different eye shape to me. I have a couple palettes with me. I have Androgyny by Jeffree Star because I thought of this colour and thought this might be good for some shading and contouring. her crease goes up a lot higher towards her brow. Oh shit, I forgot the palette was open and I just stuck my finger in it. 5 minutes in and I'm already making a mess. That's what I do best. And rhyming on the spot. You know I keep that shit hot. Yeah, okay. Apparently I'm releasing a rap album 2020. I'm just trying to like make my crease look a different shape. And it's not doing what I want it to at all, really. Oh, that's a good colour. I don't know if it's done what I wanted it to do, but it's what we've got. So I'm just gonna have to do it on the other eye, because it would look worse if they didn't match, you know? Okay, so next I'm going to do some eyeliner on my lash line and waterline. Her makeup is very natural, and I've really just sort of gone in, fucked around with a lot of dark colours. Okay, now I'm going to use some liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to define my lash line sort of going downwards, and yeah, I think that's it really. My cat is snoring! Okay, so it's safe to say I have no idea what I'm doing with big eyebrows, and I think at this point I just need to leave them alone. I'm going to do my eyelashes with some mascara. At what point am I supposed to look like Sabrina? Because it's not happening. Okay, so now we're going to contour. And she has a small little button nose. And quite a bit of a shorter face, really. Now, the wig will be making my forehead a little bit smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to contour the nose, and I'm going to use this little brush here. Yep, that'll do. Grab that, and it's just contour in that little button. I don't know what else to do to my face, so I'm just going to go on to the lips now, I guess. So I have this MUA Luxe Velvet Lip Lacquer in shade Flare. And, well, I am going to try and make them just a little bit longer looking, somehow. Okay, let's just try it, I guess. No, I've done these lips way too big. I did these lips way too big. I've done them way too big, man. Way too big. I need to not go up to the top of my cupid's bow because mine's quite tall and pouty, whereas we need a bit more of like long and thin. Okay, so let's try this again. I don't feel cute. I feel very confused. Right, well, if I'm honest, I don't really know what else to do to the makeup. This is as far as I know what to do. So, I guess maybe we just go on to the next part of this transformation and we get my dress on and the hair, and then we'll see. Well, I guess if it all works when it gets put together at the end, then I guess we'll find out then. So this is my dress. I think it's really cute, and this ties up and brings these two bits together here, and it has the little ruffles on the sleeves. I just think it's really cute. So I'm going to put this on and be right back. Okay, so here we are in the dress. I honestly think this is so cute. The sleeves are so adorable. I know, as I said, it's not exact as to, I can't, oh, I look gross with like the fact that I've just like, my cupid's bow is like, my cupid's bow literally comes up to here. Now all there is left to do is put the wig on. Here it is on my lovely mannequin head. Got the little hairband as well. I'm excited, but also this is the part where I find out if it was really shit or not. Right, yeet. Here we go. Oh, I lost it. So, because this lovely wig has some lovely bangs, I am going to sort of fold them under so that they don't stick out like the short bits, and then clip that in. She does wear her hair behind her ear, so I'm just going to have to try and shove get the black hidden out the way. Yep. Oh, come on. Stay. There we go. Okay. And look. I think this is it. Oh, there's got some black poking out down there. Oh, cheeky. What else is there to do? Ta-da! Okay, so I had a proper look in the mirror, and actually, with the right facial expression and the right pose, I actually am quite proud of myself. It's not that bad. I mean, I definitely look different. You can tell that I've put some effort into trying to make my face look like somebody else's face. I need my cat now, and she was next to me the entire time I was filming, and now I've got to the end where I actually need her and she's downstairs eating. Like, that's so inconsiderate of her, honestly. I can grab a candle. I don't want my hair to blow up, that would be awful, but look, I can do like spooky shit. Like this. I don't know. Ooh. The budget has gone up. We have special effects now. It's still going. Ella, my darling! Come, I need you to play Salem for me. Up. Up. Thank you very much. My name is Sabrina Spellman. And this is my cat Salem. Don't ruin it. Come on, this is a cute moment for us. Come on, Ella, look alive. This is the full dress, if anyone is curious. This is the rest of the dress. It's just here are the sleeves, and then this is the rest of it. Considering I'm not some sort of pro, to be quite fair, for me, I'm actually quite proud of myself. It's not too bad, is it? It's not too bad. It's not. This is when like all the comments are like, you look nothing like Sabrina. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, guys. And if you are like good with makeup and this sort of stuff, give me some tips on how I could improve. This was fun. I'm now going to take a load of selfies, wipe it all off and go to bed. So I hope you guys have had a lovely January thus far. It's almost at an end, the first month of the year already. Crazy. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful 2020. I'm going to have a pretty exciting 2020, if only for the fact that in April I'm seeing Harry Styles and in June I'm seeing My Chemical Romance. Okay, I really am just going to end this video now. Bye!